Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me for another video tutorial. We have a super cute Halloween treat holder for you. But before we get started, I just want to remind you that through the rest of the month, our starter kit is only $99 and you get to pick $155 worth of product to go with that. They also send you a paper pumpkin kit, catalogs, supplies, all kinds of goodies. So it's the best deal in the catalog. And there's no obligation to continue, or you can keep saving on your crafting supplies. We have lots of happy shoppers on my team, and we would love to have you as part of that. I'll post the link below, and also if you'd like to get our 12 weeks of Christmas program, make sure to click the link in the description to subscribe to my email list. We have another one posting tomorrow, so super excited about how that's going. Okay, so today I'm going to make a little box, and I had found these cute little eyeball marshmallow candies. They came with orange, kind of a purple, and blue. Now the blue didn't go for Halloween, so I ate them all. I saved the purple and orange, and I was trying to think what would be cute, and so I thought, I've got this little rectangle die, and I wanted them peeking through the box through my die. So we're going to, I've cut this box. It's 4.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches long. So you can get 2 of these from a piece of cardstock. And I've scored it on the long side from one end at 3.5 and 4, and then 7.5 and 8. And then on this shorter side, I've scored it at 1/2 and 4 inches. So we have a 1/2 inch tab on either side. We have 2 here, and then 1 in the middle of the panels. So what we're gonna do is cut a window right here for our eyeballs to poke out of. Let me grab our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. We've got to flip that this way. All right. Let's get this lined up. You need to make sure you have your score lines in before you die cut this so you can line it up. Hopefully that's relatively straight. We will see. Oh, I just tore my paper. Oh well. Okay, perfect. Aside from tearing my paper, that was perfect. That's all right. Okay, I'm gonna save this and put it in my scrap box. We'll use that later. Okay, now to make our box, we are going to cut on our 2 center score lines, and I will post the measurements and scoring measurements on my blog, so you can check that. So I'm gonna do that on those 2 sides. Then I'm gonna go on the short side, and I'm going to cut up both. I'm going to cut up to the second score line. Okay, and then I'm going to cut off that tab and cut off this tab. Okay, and then I think I'm going to miter this little top section. Just cut off the corners a little bit. That's my tab that's going to fold into my box. Okay. So I have a little template. I will post a picture of this as well so that you will have it if you want to make this. Okay, so now we're going to fold on all of the score lines. All right, fold up our sides. Getting carried away here. Slow down. Tear is flipping all over on me. Let's get that tape down just a little bit. hopefully that will be better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this is the front of my box. I'm going to put my tabs inside, and then I want to put tear-in tape on these tabs, these long 2 front tabs right here. I don't want to put it on my little down tabs, just on this one long panel. Right. And then I'm going to bring up this one. This is the non-sticky, that's the back. I'm going to bring up the front and stick the side panels together. Just like that. And then I like to go in and give it a good press so that they stick nicely. Okay. So now you can see we have our window. These are our tabs to kind of close it, and then we can close the top down. All right. Just like that. All right. Now, I have die cut 2 pieces of, we've got one of a basic white and one of pumpkin pie. And I can't think of the die set right off the top of my head that I use this on, but I will post that on my supply list on my blog so that you'll know. I have it written down somewhere. I'm going to use the Cebu and Scary On stamp from the Scary Cute bundle. And we're just going to stamp this right in the middle of the white. All right. And then with this orange one, or the pumpkin pie, I'm just cutting it in half because I want to just have a little bit of orange coming out of the either end on my sentiment. Maybe like maybe just even one, just a little touch. One little scallop. And then we'll do the same thing over here. All right. Cute. You see that back, but we're not even going to see that because we're going to pop that up in just a minute. All right. Now we're going to take some of our black and white gingham ribbon, wrap it around, and tie a fun little bow right over here on the edge. Okay. Ribbon scissors in here. Hopefully that should be enough. I don't want a big bow. I just want a cute little bow. Or my tail's not quite even. Okay. Cute. Okay. We're going to trim that a bit. And let's pop this up with a few dimensionals. I want it to stick to the paper, not the ribbon, so I'm going to put them on the 4 corners, and that ribbon should be in the middle, and that will also help hold our ribbon on. Okay, let's scooch this down just a little bit. I'm going to center this right in the center of the window, hopefully, is the goal. We're going to take some of our classic matte dots. I love these because they're in great Halloween colors. We have black, gray, vanilla, and white. I've used almost all of my white, but I'm going to use the black ones for this. If I can get it picked up. Hello, pick it up. Oh my goodness, it doesn't want to come off the paper. Or it doesn't, now it doesn't want to get on my thing. There, I've got it flipped over. Okay. All right, let's see if we can get a smaller one. Maybe they're more cooperative. We'll just put a small one right there. We got one more. This is nice because you can do 2 bigs and a small. Maybe we'll do 2 little ones right here. Okay. All right, now let's put our candy in. Now the thing is, I want my eyeballs, so we have a blank space down here. So this is where we put a bonus candy. So I put a long, like, little Kit Kat down in the bottom to help hold my eyeballs in place. So I can put in that one. And then the little words that say Bloodberry, those are kind of like the eyebrows. All right, we have to get them popped in there so they show through. And then close it up. You know what? Let's fold that back just a little bit. Fold the tops back, then it's not quite so crinkled in. Isn't that cute? The little eyeballs showing through. Now when you open, it's just white marshmallows, so there's no eyeballs on the actual candy. It's just on the wrapping. But that's okay, because it's all about, you know, it's all about the packaging, isn't it, ladies? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I will post the, I'll post a picture of the template along with the supplies and the measurements on my blog. So thanks so much. I'm also going to post some pictures of the bathroom. My husband finally finished the bathroom, and I'm going to show you a before picture, and I'm going to show you some after pictures, so you can see what we've been, you know, going through for the last 6 months. No big projects for a while, just little projects for the next year or so before we try to tackle another big one. That was a lot. Okay, thanks so much, and I will see you back here on Thursday. Bye, everyone.